Hello guys, so for today we got wheels. Gonna paint them black. Don't know, some eBay Cobra 2K black gloss paint. Bumper wrapped. So not gonna drag. I need to crack on this because later on I have to go to work. So let's go. Here we go. So I've done first layer because it's acrylic. It's clearish paint, so let's make another layer, maybe another two. But I mean, overall I like it. It's just horribly stinks. I mean, any base. I've done good 2 layers of the paint, and I want to show you something. Overall, you might think, oh, that's like really nice and shiny, but I think this wheel not too bad. Oh, actually there is, don't know, can you see it, but there is a sag in here. I think a couple other wheels have sags as well. Yeah, this one got it. Don't know, can you see? Trouble is that it's gonna sound like excuse, but it is excuse for myself, to be fair. Okay, party people, so what we got now? Rear quarter and a bit going to the pillars. I think that's a pillar and a bit of to the roof. Got sanded. Edwin is doing same on the other side. So we're gonna paint this, fade paint about till here, and lacquer whole part, including the side moldings too. Same on the other side with the door and a boot lid. So now we're gonna lift the car and put the wheels back on, because they're taking a space in garage. I would like to bring my bike back in. Right, center caps polished, don't look as neat, don't look this good as I would like to, but it is what it is. Right, let's crack on. Right, so that's what we got. Wheels on. I think that looks mean. Much better than it was with the diamond cutted front. Right. All I can tell you, the camera not giving the actual view, but later on I'm gonna make a pictures with the professional camera. I hope that's gonna put everything out. Hello guys, let me show you something what we've done today. Wasn't filming a lot because it was very busy day. We had to finish sanding, shaping few parts, and now Now Edwin is putting the last bits of the tape and we finished masking this beast. There you go. So rear quarter going all the way to the A pillar, the molding on the front door, boot lid, and another rear quarter with the A pillar and a half of the door. So actual paint itself is just going to be just a little bit in a few places, but all these matte finish parts are going to be lacquered. So less talking, more working. Sorry guys that I'm not filming this process a lot, but just because we're running out of time and we have to do it today before it gets dark. So wish me luck. Long night waiting us tonight, but there we go. Sides finished, back finished, second side getting bright. I'm mixing lacquer and we're gonna go do some lacquering. Wish me luck guys. First dusting coat for a clear coat. It's very cold outside. Don't know what's gonna happen, but we will see. We'll see. Once again guys, another mistake you need to learn from me, not from yourself, is don't paint when it's cold. It does look nice and shiny till we get here. Bam! We've got a huge sag. Something in here. So Golf is painted. Looks alright. Got some paint sags. That's alright. Another problem we came across is the lacquer peeling off the roof from the previous paint. Can't really see, but look at it. Bumper is in place. Headlight still missing. Good. color matched, or color matching good, and the black centerpiece suits very nice. I like it. Due to the Brexit and COVID, we're still waiting for headlight to be shipped. Anyway, we got the roof to re-lacquer. Still some bits to do. It's about 5 o'clock, and guess what parts we lacquered it? Roof and A-pillar up till here, and roof, which we're peeling off early on. Didn't film much because it's only one good day on it this week, and we had to